Firstly, add any one of your images. Let's adjust the image according to yourself. Select the image and then go to Edit Image. Here, you can choose to adjust effect and then copy all the properties as it is. You can also adjust all filter properties according to yourself. I suggest you adjust mainly brightness, tint, contrast and shadow. These properties will really help you to enhance your image. After adjusting properties, you see a filter code at the bottom, so copy that code. After copying the filter code, now add all your images. Now click on Edit Image and then go to Adjust Effect. Now at the bottom, you see filter code. Erase that code and then paste the copied code in the box. Do the same process for other images. It's a quick way to copy properties, and this process helps you to enhance all your image.